Some of the challenges with Qlik is creating a platform that allows companies to accelerate their growth towards being more driven by data, effectively marketing and selling their platform, user management challenges, license management challenges, and scaling. Qlik easily aligns sales strategies and client priorities. Aggregate industries needed to improve business performance and reduce cost. They had to give their employees better access to financial and other data. With the use of Qlik, it helped them reduce their total cost of ownership by about 30%. Qlik easily extracted data and performed detailed analysis. ADP's HR clients began facing growing demands to provide information to the board of directors. Their use of Qlik View helped them achieve that with better reports. Qlik also revolutionized information delivery. Using Qlik View, Children's Healthcare of Atlanta were able to extract data, create business logic, and provide a presentation layer that satisfied the end users. Reports would previously each have taken about 30 hours to build, but with Qlik View, all the detail was available on a dashboard that was created in just a month. It created centralized and accessible data. Big brothers, big sisters had input systems that did not integrate well with each other. However, with Qlik View, the time that was spent putting together reports was now spent analyzing the data and improving the organization.